I always get so overwhelmed when I'm in this stone yard.
Look at all these beautiful slabs right
I know,
here.
it's gorgeous.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Hey!
How you guys
Is
doing?
this us?
Yep, that's you guys.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, good, so you're gonna load it in, George?
Yeah, I'll load you guys up.
James and I have known George for years. He runs a tile shop and stone yard in Orange County.
So all of this is meant to look like that vintage ceramic tile.
That's really pretty.
Yeah.
So these are my new mosaics.
Bling, bling. I love this.
Oh my gosh.
This is like the entire shower floor.
Can you mix and match, or are they on sheets?
No, they're on sheets, but you can definitely mix and match if you wanted to.
So what's going on with your house? Did you close? Are you
Yeah, I
ready?
finally closed, but it's just very hectic right now.
George and his wife, Adri, just bought a total fixer in the city of Orange, and I think he might need my help. When you work in the business and you're not a designer, it can actually make it harder to design your own space. Being surrounded by so many tile and countertop options can be overwhelming.
It's really tough, like so tough to just choose materials. It's like the hardest part ever, you know?
How's Adri doing with everything? Are you guys like on the same page? Because you
Not
have
really.
everything here.
Not really, that's the hardest part of it all. We're at a complete standstill at home. Her style is way different from my style, and anytime I suggest something, it automatically becomes a no. And the house is already demolished. So we started demo a few weeks ago, and we can't do anything because we can't come to an agreement.
That's like pretty much the main thing that happens between every couple.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hey, how are you?
So happy you're here.
Yay, me
Nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming.
Wow, you weren't kidding. You are really in a construction zone.
Yes,
Literally
we are.
living in one, yes.
You guys live in here right now. Mm-hmm. Wow, okay.
in all its glory.
This is the only furniture you have?
Yes, this
Why
is
don't you put a
everything.
couch in here?
We have 5-course meals in this right here.
Where is everyone sitting? There's only 2 chairs on each other's laps.
This
The
is for-
girl's like sitting on the counter for now.
Yeah.
How long have you been in here?
It's been about 3 months already.
3 months? And it's
3
gonna take
months.
another few months?
I know. But so far, I mean, we've tried to do as much as we can where we can agree. So we've painted the outside, we've painted the roof black.
It used to be red. We've stripped the house. There was over 12 types of wallpaper everywhere. So that's come down.
And this is open, I take it because you were trying to check for load bearing?
Yeah, exactly. So
And-
none of it is load bearing. We've been calling in favors for the work being done around the house, which is why it's been taking so long. My contractor friend took a look inside the walls and said we should have no issues with opening everything up.
That's
I
amazing.
know, right? So
None of it?
technically we can open
No.
up everything.
All this?
All
oh my
of
God.
it.
That too?
If we
Wow.
want to, yeah. We
amazing.
also found, apparently they used to have a bar here.
Oh, so it's plumbing. So
You can incorporate a bar.
bringing the bar back.
Yes.
I love it. All right, so kitchen.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, this is very interesting.
Right?
Got your work cut out for you.
Red. I've never seen like red on red.
On red, on red, on red.
On yellow. George mentioned that you guys have different styles.
To say the least.
Okay.
Yes. Like when we want a new dining room table or a chair, it takes us forever to come to a decision. I like organic feel, just flowy, effortless. I don't know, I just like it very comfortable, but still like coastal California pops of, yeah.
Very much my
You,
style.
what you do, yes.
That's it.
Like I would love to have like a mid-century modern kind of feel.
When you say mid-century, like what are you imagining?
Natural raw wood, you know, like paneling, some oak, walnut.
So like the natural colors, the flat panels.
Correct.
And the real woods.
Yes, I would love to see that.
What are you guys looking to spend here?
We have about 100K.
I would say with $100,000, like you guys are good.
Love it.
So, I mean, right away, we definitely need to expand the kitchen. So what I'm thinking is, let's remove that wall and vault the ceilings.
That sounds amazing.
Yes.
And I noticed that like most of the view is to the side yard when it really should be towards the backyard and the pool.
Right.
That would be nice.
So my idea is to like flip it.
Okay.
So basically, to extend the kitchen, we'll steal some square footage from the living room area and create a great room. We move a door down here where the windows are, remove this window,
Okay.
and then we create a large L shape. So we can do pantry, refrigerator, do the stove right here. That way we create an even bigger kitchen. Uppers and lowers.
Not fond on uppers. If we could do just like no uppers, that would be like clean and like a little bit.
So you're thinking like all floating shelves. You don't like that?
Not really. I would love to have some cabinets. I mean, double cabinets just look so nice to me.
And then over here, we could do the sink and the dishwasher and a really large picture window. And if you're game, like we could do one of these really cool flip windows that opens out sort of like an old school garage door.
Okay.
And we can have like
Yes.
stools out there.
100.
Yes.
So that way, instead of the view being over there to the side yard, this whole view would be of the pool.
We're game.
And then we can do a nice big island in the middle.
And do away with the peninsula.
Right, no peninsula,
Yes.
big island. Totally open to the family room.
Yes.
That is nice.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Hey.
All right.
No,
What's up?
So we called the engineer out and make sure that nothing was load bearing. And now that the demo guys have exposed it, we've realized that it actually is supporting half of the roof. To now open both walls up, we need a beam here, and then we need a beam here, and we have footings, more engineering. We're looking at another 10.
That's
Insane.
a lot.
George and Adri thought that these kitchen and living room walls could come out without any problem. But it turns out the structure of their house is more complicated than that. And it's not gonna be easy to get the open floor plan they've been hoping for.
This wall is the main thing for me.
Right? Yeah.
I mean, I want it.
Let's do it.
Things are moving along at George and Adri's. The walls are opening up and the beams are going in. Oh my gosh, looks so good in here.
Such a difference.
Right?
So what you got?
All right. Okay, so what I'm thinking is we do a flooring, like along the lines of this color. Nice mid-century feel to it.
Okay.
So lowers, all white, and what I'm thinking is no uppers and floating shelves. Remember you guys pulled this countertop? So the cool thing about this product is that because it's so durable and it's not gonna leave watermarks or anything like that, a place where we can add like a really, really unique factor would be doing the entire sink in the composite material, which we can, which that's very rare. Because of this particular type of material, we are enabled to do like a 36-inch sink that's made out of it.
Oh, that's hot. I like that.
So no stainless, right? It would
Right.
just be that.
Yes. And then we do the island black, give that
Okay.
modern vibe.
Yeah.
And to add more of a mid-century look, we can even do a waterfall edge with those beautiful counters. So what if instead of the waterfall edge, we make the island look more like a piece of furniture and we do some like shelving on the side. That way when you walk in, it doesn't just feel like a basic countertop.
Okay. I mean, I like that.
That would be cool.
And for backsplash, I wanna do something kinda unique here.
Okay.
Okay, so we know the Zlige. What I'm thinking is we run the same countertop up about 14-inch backsplash and then incorporate the Zlige. So it's a nice blend of the California contemporary look and mid-century modern vibe.
I love that.
I like it. I like the countertop going halfway up the wall. It's really nice.
I've never seen it before.
Right? Finally, I think we need to take advantage of these amazing vaulted ceilings. I'm suggesting white shiplap to bring in more of the coastal vibe that she likes.
That's cool.
Hey George, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Unfortunately, I have a little bit of bad news.
You're gonna need a new electrical box and some rewiring.
How much are we talking about?
$8,000. Mike had thought there'd be a chance that the current panel would do the job. But once the electrician started work, it became clear that the house needed an upgrade.
Okay. Well, yeah. Go ahead. I'll let Adrian know.
All right, I'll let Mike know. With the electrical taken care of, the crew is pushing ahead and digging utility lines for the kitchen island. Now that George and Adri have seen progress happening in the main living spaces, they want me to take a look at some of the other areas to see what's not working for them. Okay, so let's figure this out. I feel like layout-wise, there's not a lot of change we can make here, but we can just go super high design. So how tied to a tub are you?
Not really. I mean, I don't really use a tub.
No,
Is there another tub in the house?
there is.
I would say we just do a really nice shower here, make a smaller window. Here, still do double sinks, but if you would like a makeup vanity. And I mean, besides that, we'll just go super high-end finishes. And I think in here, we can get this done for like 20,000.
It's another chunk of change, but this is well worth it and well needed.
I'm game.
Let's do it, yeah.
Things are really moving forward now at George and Adri's. Mike's guys are installing bifold doors out the living room, and they're also pouring a new concrete deck so the whole family can enjoy indoor-outdoor living. And in the kitchen, they're installing shiplap on the ceilings to give her the coastal feel that she wants. To keep the home looking cohesive, we're running the same wood floors throughout the entire house, including the bathroom. Let's first discuss flooring.
Okay.
This is totally waterproof. I would love to carry that flooring into the shower so it feels bigger. I also brought another option that we could do the same type of thing with.
Okay.
So it's this material, but in this color. So not the orangey.
Okay.
So me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna gravitate to the
I mean,
porcelain.
that works for me too.
And then I was thinking about doing a different kind of shower door. So not your basic glass, like one of those really cool, like black iron gridded ones. Like, you know, like the big rectangles.
Okay, so it wouldn't be frameless. It would have like the metal, like rectangles.
Yes,
That's nice, dude.
yeah.
I like that a lot.
And the reason
Yes.
why I like that is because I think that this would look beautiful to do as your counters and all the shower walls. And I think the black iron, like this behind it, will look really pretty.
Would it be that small? Like
No, big
everywhere?
slabs.
Yeah,
Oh.
slaps. I'm
Yes.
game with all that.
Here is cabinets. And I know you guys loved this for the backsplash. So I was thinking we could do this whole wall behind the mirrors, but do it in like a herringbone pattern.
Love
Speaking
me
my
some
language.
herringbone. Yes.
I love it. I mean, it's perfect for me. So, we got this new material that actually just
You got a
came
new
in.
material.
Yep.
It just
It's
came
always
in.
new.
Okay. Since they don't need under sink storage, I think a really cool idea to highlight the material that he picked would be a floating vanity with no cabinet underneath. And we can give him a little bit of that waterfall edge that he loves. We could do paneling, like a wainscoting, say like a charcoal or a black everywhere that this isn't.
Would it make it look too small?
No, I don't think so at
Or
all.
is it like a good enough size?
I think it's a good size. And then this counter is really gonna pop if we do that. I think it'll just draw your eye in. It's gonna be a statement.
I'm envisioning it. I think that would really look amazing.
Now let's talk about your bar area really
Okay.
quick. I would love to do either like a black or white lower and then incorporate the white oak with some floating shelves.
Okay.
And then we could just decorate it super cute and make it an awesome bar.
Shelfie.
Yes, a shelfie.
Yes.
The composite countertops are going in today at George & Adrie's, which means that Mike can get started on the farmhouse sink using the same material. It's gonna look amazing. We're so close to being done. We're like, what, a week out?
Yeah.
As long as there's no more changes, which the backsplash was a good one, but as long as something new doesn't come into the shop.
No more changes. We're ready to enjoy our home.
George & Adrie's home is finally done, and now it's time for me and James to put our final touches on it.
It's about to go off like a firework.
You guys ready?
Yes and no. I'm ready.
Hyperventilating right now. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to walk through those doors and finally have a home to look at, not just a huge construction site.
It hasn't felt like a home this entire time, so I'm super excited and stoked to see what it looks like.
Here we are.
Whoa.
Are you joking? Like, is this our house?
Yes, can you believe it?
This is
No.
You had like a small red, like very country kitchen going on in here. It was totally closed off. The ceilings were low.
Oh my God, Christina.
It's a huge transformation. Woo! Yeah!
Yes.
The best indoor-outdoor vibe now.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
This is insane that I get to call this home.
I love this.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it all.
We need to get the chair out of here before I leave, or else I won't be able to sleep tonight.
Thank you.
Back
Yes.
to the garage.
Or he'll sleep in the garage.
I mean, maybe
I'll get rid
someday
of
you'll
it.
have a game room.
Let's get rid of it forever.
I've known Christina now for a long time, right? So to have her be able to come to my house and help me finish my house, she took such a huge load from everything that I was doing. We really felt that she took this one personally, and what she did was just amazing.